welcome back to my channel. So today I will try to vlog. We'll see how that goes. I'm getting my makeup done by EA Beauty.
EA Makeup.
Here, I'm sorry, she has a makeup line called EA Beauty, but I'm getting it done. Her makeup page is called e.a.makeup, e.a.makeup. Anyways, we'll put it in the description box. But yes, I'm getting it done today. Guys, look how much clearer my face is now. Like, I have like these struggling ones right here, but I don't know, we'll see. But it's definitely much better. And yeah, so we're about to do this thing, and let me know what you guys think.